As a graduate entry applicant to study medicine, I was quite apprehensive to apply in the first place. This was because I was unsure what exams I needed to complete, when I needed to complete it, and what was the actual process. Therefore, when I decided to actually complete my research, I came across FutureDoc Academy, and I actually decided to join them. I believe this was the best decision I could make because I was assigned a mentor who helped me throughout the whole journey. For example, he helped me through my admissions exams, he then gave me feedback on my personal statements, and then also helped me prepare for my interviews, let that be face-to-face or let them be online. FutureDoc Academy is a community which I'm hugely proud to be part of. It has given me the confidence in order to complete my interviews and successfully obtain offers as well. I have found it hugely beneficial to be part of FutureDoc Academy, which I joined just over 6 months ago, because it allowed and gave me a timetable to work to.